Gamal. Agal. Kaitz. Ra'ash. Yid. Zayin. Sud. Samak. Dalat. Bit. Pa. Lamat. Nun. Mim. Sham. Kap. U'u. Ala. Tu. Tit. Ayin. Kup. These are Manakahthey symbols, and they're all related to the Gamal symbol. If you notice, the Gamal caused Dalet is two Gamals together, and this is how Dalet came to be. I can confirm that this is the proper way because of the hand gesture is exactly this way. I will show you when you join the class after you sign up on PrimitiveSignLanguage.com. I will show more hand gestures as time goes by. There is a video called I Am My Thoughty, and I did say in that video that when it gets 500 views, I will start to show more hand gestures. I need more interest. If you would like to see the confirmation of these symbols in a hand gesture, continue to share and like and subscribe. There's more coming, more information. These are Manakahthey symbols. They're all from hand gestures, and the design originated with the Gamal symbol, and I proved it in this video. This is Aitari and Shalom, and Yah grant you peace. Let me know your thoughts of this video, and if you have any questions, I will try to be available to answer them.